Another video charge. Guys, welcome to my favorite tent in all of Tyson Wells, K&K Kitchen Supply. I love this place. I'm going to start with the owner.
I didn't recognize it. My nephew lives in areas and I didn't even recognize it. I would have gone
Hello there.
Travels with Dottie.
Travels with Dottie.
So I'm going to do another. I'm recording right now.
Wonderful.
You are my favorite tent vendor.
You know, you did such, that was beautiful. I showed friends of mine back east. You're so complimentary, so I thank you very much.
Yeah, I
like
always find something that I have to have.
It's our
in
first
here.
day open today too.
Yeah, I drove by and I'm with my friend. I'm like, they're open, they're open, they're open.
We're getting there, but we haven't. It's not really official yet.
All right, it'll be up tonight.
Excellent.
It'll
Thank
be
you
up
very
tonight.
much.
Sure.
I enjoy watching programs. So
Thanks.
Thank you.
Look at what we have.
I can't remember from this year to last year what it was. I've done this 36 years now, and everything was the same for years, and then it changed. And I don't remember. Everything is very different. Excellent. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. We'll get a lot more stuff.
He travels.
A gigantic cutting board this way in the USA, sir. Well, Florida anyway.
See anything you have to have?
Oh, I could buy a lot of stuff.
I got one of these. This was a game changer for cooking pizza.
I have one. I have one in my oven. And it really makes a big difference in your camp stove.
Oh yeah.
It keeps the temperature even and keeps
If you have a
warm.
propane stove, a
Yes.
propane oven,
Yes.
you can now cook his pizza with it's 13 inches, and the small frozen ones are 13 inches.
And Rob, if you leave it in your oven all the time, and you bake biscuits or cupcakes or anything, it keeps that propane oven temperature even and keeps the bottom from burning.
Okay,
I
good,
learned
good,
that from
good,
some other
good tip.
people.
Good tip. So, the owner, he remembers me from last year. I've done,
I heard,
but he has two criteria for what's here.
Yeah.
Is it must be good quality and the right price, and it has to meet both to be here.
Well, that's good to know.
There's things like, I can't remember what it was I was asking for one year, and he said, I can't carry it anymore. The quality's there, but the price is too high, so I won't carry it.
I've bought a lot of stuff here over the years.
The January 19th rush.
And I need
The big tent. That's the big tent.
no scratch that spatula. I burned mine on the stove.
Well, there's these spatulas here. They're rubber. Oh, it's called a spoon spatula.
I need just like a real spatula.
Well, I'm sure we're not going to have to look very hard.
I see some over here.
Yeah, there are some over there. All kinds of them over there.
Yeah, or what the hell they're talking about. Thank you very much.
Well, we're lucky we got this on the first day.
Rob, look, collapsible funnel.
Not ready, but I never am.
What do you got there?
Collapsible funnel.
Let's see what it looks like.
Isn't that cool?
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Anything collapsible is good for RV life.
Yes. Because we have no storage.
Did you find a spatula here?
I saw a few, but I'm looking Put something special. This is too big. I'm looking for something bigger than this. I saw these.
Oh, these are,
Collapsible bowls.
yeah.
There. Oh yeah.
And some of this is genuine Pyrex, or I think. Well, maybe not, but just as good, I'm
So anything
sure.
on that table's American made, and then the table behind you, anything on that table's American made.
Okay, so it's American made stuff for sure.
Oh man, it's getting better and better too.
So I want to make sure I'm quoting you right. From last year or the year before, you said to me that your criteria for product is quality and correct price, and it's got to meet both.
It does, and it's been getting harder. It's been more of a challenge the last. COVID really put a dent in the whole world.
Right.
You know,
right.
it slowed everything up. Sounds like an excuse, but it's changed.
Yeah.
It has changed a lot.
But you still got the goods.
Thank you.
You still got the goods.
You're too kind, as I said. I got it. I just need a little vertical lift there, you know.
I had to pick up a couple things. Hey Rob, these things are great for in your car coasters.
What are they?
They're car coasters.
I don't know how old you are.
Put them in your cup holders,
Yeah.
and it absorbs moisture. Like if you have a drink with ice
Oh,
in
okay.
it. I've got one in there, but mine I've had so many years it's nasty, so I'm gonna get a couple.
Yeah, it's life, man. Yeah. It does. A lot of my friends are not around to complain about things anymore, so I shouldn't complain. Oh man, it's a struggle, right?
Well, I think I got every table.
That's
All right, let me pay for these.
Okay. Well, I almost forgot about these. If you're serious about knives, they have serious knives. This is a lot lighter weight than it looks.
Did you want a little bag for that one?
Well, that's it for today's video. Now come on down and get yourself some quality kitchen stuff.